back to Dawson Design Production Company. Today, we have something new that I wanted to try. It's not new, it was released a few months ago. So, let's get into the box here. Inside, we have the Google Pixel 4a 5G. These pull tabs, they look like Apple's pull tabs. Pull it, open that up. Let's get into this Pixel 4a box. Ooh. You know, that unboxing is not unlike an Apple phone. I love the feel of it. It's plastic, but it doesn't feel bad as plastic. I'm digging the way it feels. There's nothing touching, there's no sticker thing on here, but there's a pull tab for a screen protector. I've never used a hole punch phone. This is Google's answer to the 2020 iPhone SE. Google came out with this, they're like, this is $50 cheaper, and look how much better it is, kind of thing. In the past, I would have been caught dead with a Google Pixel. But after looking at this, I feel like, I already feel like budget phones is the Google Pixels, like, that should be their niche. They should stick with that and stop trying to do flagship phones, because they'll do a flagship phone that is like the specs of an iPhone 8, but the cost of an iPhone 11 Pro. And like this doesn't even have wireless charging. And that is gonna be an issue for me. Like, it's a plastic back, but it's not wireless charging. I would prefer it to be aluminum back if it wasn't wireless charging, but I'm gonna put this off to the side actually. So I was at the zoo today, and I was taking pictures with my iPhone SE 2016. Not a very good camera. I would use my iPad as well. Also not a great camera. So I am really looking forward to seeing how this camera compares to my really old iPhone. Pull this out. Okay, so I'm gonna pull that off. We've got a SIM tool. It's an oddly shaped one. Some safety warnings, and this blank booklet just has Google's logo on it. Yeah, the power button is white. I kinda dig that look. I wish all the buttons were white, and I wish it had like, does it have the squeeze thing? So in the box we have this nice USB-C cord. This is like a MacBook cord quality. And then there's a little, let's see, how do you get this out? There we go. There's a USB-A to USB-C adapter. That's cool. And we've got a USB-C wall plug. It's 5x3, 15. It's a 15 watt. Yep, it's 15 watt. We're gonna power this guy on. Google, powered by Android. This is Android the way Google intended it. I've never used a Android device that doesn't use stock Android. So we're loading, it's gonna set this up. I'm gonna plug it in just to be sure that I don't like run out of power. That's about all I have for you. Later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below what your thoughts are on this video. Up next, I'll do a video on the Pixel Buds and the Fitbit Inspire. So be on the lookout for that. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Have a great rest of your day.